is too cool too. It's a nice sunny day. The storm has ended, and it's just beautiful out. It's cold. It's beautiful. See all the snow on the ground. I don't know if you can see during the sunlight. Tons of snow. A lot of it. Clearing the sidewalks now. There's a lot of snow. Beautiful day. Glad the sun's shining. Today I'm going to the park with my friend, even though school is open. I'm not going to school. Okay. Well, that's it. Dude, they said on the news about 15 inches of snow fell. That's where the roof fell on this place. I know it's in Russia. It's a car wash. They had tarp as a roof. You know, blue stuff put on something to cover it for weather. So what do you expect? Well, this just fell from the. Just fell. Almost hit that lady. Okay, well, thanks for watching my series on the blizzard in New York City. Check out, keep posting more videos of any snowstorms or any storm that's severe.